Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This video is just a small video for updates and to talk about it a little bit, what happened at the end of this day and about some updates that it might happen for the weekend. And so we are really in a good position for a bull run. Where we can see on the 4-hour chart also that we have just directly one wave towards the upside, where we want to see this wave playing as a wave 1, as a microwave for our impulse towards the upside. And this is exactly what happened. Now, of course, it's not necessarily to hit exactly where my path is. It might be a little bit shorter as it is now. So the beautiful thing is that we were following this bull run since when, guys? Since August. Since we have bottomed here our wave 4, and then we have started to see like an impulse towards the upside on 25 August. Exactly, since 25 August, and we were we were looking after this bull run where we were expecting a 1-2, and this is exactly what happened. If you remember, we have hit exactly the 0.78 here, which it was an awesome fib and an awesome trade towards the upside, looking for a wave 3, of course, or a start of a wave 3, and this is exactly what happened. Now, of course, our wave 3 is unfolding in a possible 1-2, right? Double 1-2s here, where we can see, of course, or possibly a big 1-2. Nobody knows, because this can be counted as well as a diagonal. However, it doesn't matter. It matters when we finish our wave 3. By all means, are we gonna get a 4-5-4-5 for this 1-2-1-2, or we are going to get just 1-4-5 just because of this 1-2? So this is a challenge for later on, guys. However, we have hit our fib here. We made an awesome trade here. We were looking again level by level, if you remember, with this analysis, and we said that this is the strongest level here, right? Remember the latest analysis, and I said this is the strongest, where you are coinciding your 1-2-1-2 here for double 1-2, and also a big 1-2 for 0.5 fib level. They are both at the same level, and here we go. Today we see a reversal after finishing 3 waves toward the downside, which is perfect and very clear on the daily chart. This is what is important, by the way. The most important on the daily chart, that it is a very clear 5 waves toward the upside and clear 3 waves toward the downside, and then a reversal. Now, of course, it's a nice indication. Of course, now, of course, the biggest target is, of course, after this high, where, of course, we will go very impulsively and massively towards the upside. So very, very beautiful. It deserves, of course, some celebration, right? After all this, analysis that bring us, of course, to this bull run. Finally, we see some inspiration going on and some signals, right? What I want to mention also is that, by the way, on the daily chart in the MACD, on the indicator analysis, if you remember, that I said, okay, we might see some light color here, some light volume for the daily, and this might play as a support here, where the trend goes up again, as you can see here, by the way, in the lower side. It can repeat the same, but this time on the higher side, right? And if you remember, we said, of course, the volume is still high and stable, while the volume of the seller is going down. And this is the most important thing that we would like to see, is the volume of seller getting down and the volume of buyers is getting high, to say, okay, yeah, we are ready to move up. So these are the beautiful things in trading in some indicators as well. And of course, Elliott Wave is our best tools, right? This was all because of Elliott Waves here, the analysis. And of course, now it is not necessary to hit, of course, the same amount of this leg one of your impulse. However, this looks like very, very one leg towards the upside. The same as here, almost in your impulse, in your wave one, where you see some same amount almost of these impulses, right, towards the upside without any retracement. So that is an indication that this leg belongs to here, right? I mean, or this one, it belongs to this impulsive character of that wave, right? Because if you look here in the correction, you don't see any big candles, long candles like this without any retracement, right? While here and in this wave, you can see like very long price action without almost kind of like no retracement, right? Same character. So that means we are now impulsive and we are looking for a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, of course. Now inside this wave, of course, you can count. You still can count some, however, but there is no fibs. There is no fibs at all, to be honest. It's just towards the upside the whole time. Even on the 15-minute chart, if you go here, okay, you can count a little bit, like maybe this has been hit with a 0.23, but I doubt it even. Let's just take a look and check. Yeah, it has been hit. It has been hit. The 0.23 or even the 0.38, which is perfect actually for a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if that was playing as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, then okay, where is your second 1, 2? Yeah, it's not really. Yeah, we cannot really consider it, right? So what is important is that we are very, very bullish. All right, I think we did over than, wow, 7% just by one wave today. Look at the volume on the 1 hour chart of the MACD as well, is huge. Now, of course, we're gonna see some retracement. Of course, we're gonna see some retracement. Definitely, we should see some, like kind of an indication, a little bit of 5 waves towards the upside, to say just that, okay, this is our wave 1 here, and then we move further. Now, of course, this is the weekend now. We're gonna range. However, if this is gonna be considered as a wave 1, it's fine to range a little bit for a wave 2 and then move on. Moreover, on the Monday, huge. This is very impressive, right? It's scary, to be honest. Look what a volume. Look what a uptrend. Look how much the volume was low the whole time, and then boom. Very, very nice, guys. So that is a good indication. We want to continue, of course. What we want to see now is just to have, of course, some retracement. It is necessarily, to be honest, we need some retracement, some 3-wave corrective, and then move up towards the upside. This is what I want to tell you. So the weekend would be a perfect time now on the 4-hour chart, for example, for Sunday and Saturday, Sunday, and then move up again on a Monday. So that's it for a Bitcoin, and yeah, enjoy the bull run, guys. And yeah, we hope that, of course, the things start to move on again on Monday. See you in the next one. Thank you for your likes and comments. Bye bye.